Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a swatch and review for the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Money Moves. Now, this lipstick is a beautiful, warm, orangey brown. This reminds me of MAC Mocha, but this is only $7 compared to the, I think, $21 or $19. I think it's $19 that a MAC lipstick retails for, so this is a lot more cheaper. But the color of this is incredibly similar to MAC Mocha. However, this is more of a matte formula. This is actually a lot more long wearing than MAC Mocha. Yes, that is true. So on the ColourPop website, it says that these lipsticks are supposed to have a velvet matte formula and they are supposed to be long wearing and intensely pigmented. I think that's what it said. But anyways, I do agree with all of these things. While this might not be a velvet matte, like a typical velvet matte formula, this definitely has a lot more slip and creaminess to it, but it is an incredibly long wearing lipstick. Intensely pigmented too. Now, although this has a very creamy texture, this lipstick does stay a long time on your lips, which is an incredibly confusing thing, but such a refreshing and beautiful, quality in lipstick. I have not tried on a lipstick like this in so long, and I absolutely love it. You should definitely try this lipstick out. Okay guys, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.